Let's update the diagram. Go to Terraform AWS tutorial, open the diagram. Let's check what we did first. We did the locals part. I unlock it, and let's read the message that always use locals when you don't need input variables. So it must be your way of thinking. When you create variables, you start creating them in locals. You don't create them in input variables. You create them here. But if the time passes and you understand that you need to often modify that local, then you delete it from locals and create it in input variables. So first, you create the local, you work with the local, and if you understand that you need to update it more often, or in general update it with almost every deployment, you create it in input variables. So the priority is locals. If locals not enough, you create input variables. Another thing, we started to use the AWS CLI configuration instead of hard coding the access key in Terraform, which is very, very good. We don't unlock anything here because we didn't learn new commands. Let's destroy everything which we created. So I write Terraform destroy. Environment, I write stg. And it's going to destroy, let me guess, 7 resources. Yes. The policy, the VPC, the subnets, and the policy. Yes. Everything was destroyed. Let's check the resources. Look here, I refresh the page and my subnets are gone. The VPC is gone. I refresh the page and the policy string is deleted. Let's check the Terraform state. No resources. Let's delete these files. Go to free locals folder, delete.terraform, delete terraform log HCL, delete terraform state, delete terraform state backup. I deleted the files. Let's check the git changes. Only the change about the diagram, no changes in the Terraform file. And it's all. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I need your support and appreciation to create more videos. Thank you for watching.